I shot off.
What? Oh, it's coming down.
I hit the handle.
Now we can hang it. Good job.
Yeah, right? So, it's been raining, but it looks like it's clearing up. We're gonna go look in town to see what there is. Oh, it's really bad out here, but it's pretty.
Hi. Oh, don't be scared. We're animal lovers. We're at this butterfly conservatory place, so we're gonna check it out since it's a rainy day. We can't really go hiking. And and it looks like they have animals and stuff there, not just butterflies. So we'll see. It's a miniature zoo. That's what it is.
She's going back to go get the dogs playing cards. Look at her. She's running. She's running. So that place was pretty cool. Butterflies, birds, turtles, fish, little things like that. Bearded dragons. It was a nice little place. It's raining, so it works perfect. So now we're gonna go to the mall. I'm gonna go look for a wool blanket for Nat because she's cold and it's good to keep one in the car, but I don't have any of that in my car. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna go do. All right.
I got my poster. It's transferred onto metal. I've always wanted one of this. You've always wanted this.
Yeah.
But like a really big one. But this is big enough, I think. This is so cute. So we're at this restaurant called Maury's Family Restaurant. And they have like dollhouse showcases. It's so cute. That popcorn is like $5. And it's the size of my thumb. But look at the detail on that. That is amazing. That is so cool. We're gonna attempt to use this bow and arrow that Ali has had for 3 years. So this is the target practice right here. He has this
Glove.
3-finger glove.
Look, baby. This is how you do it fast. Guide your finger on there.
I'm gonna hurt myself.
No, you're not. Just gotta pull.
I already see it. Why is it so slippery?
Your hand goes like this. Hold down. Don't release. You gotta pull
Oh my
that
God,
all the way
okay,
back.
okay.
Oh my God.
Stop making me laugh.
You're doing it so wrong.
You're making me laugh. Stop it.
Good job.
I missed.
I know.
Alright, let me try it again.
Go ahead, Robin Hood.
Alright, I'm gonna get this one. Watch. I'm gonna get it right in the dot.
Which
Bullseye.
dot?
Bullseye. Oh, yeah! Almost. That was pretty fun. We're gonna try again tomorrow because as you can see, it got really dark. Now we're gonna make s'mores. We have graham crackers, jet puffed s'mores mallows, 2 sticks provided by 10th R&R, Hershey's chocolate. How many you want?
One.
One? Super tasty. First you put the graham cracker and then the chocolate, and then you put this on top, take this, and then you eat it. That is like the perfect dessert.
The object of the game is to throw cakes and score as many points in one turn as you can. First player to score 100 points is the winner.
It's impossible. Impossible. Yep. I'm trying to get it on here, baby.